Good evening to everyone. Magandang gabi sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin at sa lahat na nakatune in ngayong gabi sa ating channel, The Resistance Trader. Tonight, we will be discussing one of the best trading strategy that works for all types of asset. This is called the price action, and basically, this is where most traders, kahit sa ang asset pa or market sila nagka-trade, looks into in the very first place. Now, today I will share with you how the price action strategy works. There's a price action strategy that works wherein you need to, again, based from the discussion that we have last time and paulit-ulit natin sasabihin, is based on your support and resistance or your SNR, SR. Number one rule is you need to mark your areas of support and resistance. And then second, you need to wait for a directional move into the support and resistance of the price or the candle, and then after which you will have to wait for price rejection at SNR. After knowing that the price was rejected, the next thing that you will do is to put the trader to enter based on the price action, whether a buy or a sell, on the next candle with stop loss, swing high or the swing low. So basically, the stop loss is on still the support and resistance, and then the take profits is also same or similar, basing it on the take profits on the swing high and the swing low. To put that into an example, let us look at our Tradingview graph right now. So for this session, we will be using the ETH graph of Tradingview. Here, we already mark our support and resistance using the pivots, and we also have created a parallel channel wherein makikita mo na yung ating graph is actually going upwards. So we created a channel here na papunta sa taas, and this channel can serve as your support and resistance too. So the channel is as a moving support and resistance, while the pivots R1 and R2 serves as your yung tinatawag natin na horizontal support and resistance. So if we are to place a trade basing from this graph, you will have to call the shots. Sabi natin, di ba? Let's go back to our rule that number one, you have to mark your areas of support and resistance. That's what we did with the graph that we just showed you a while ago. Then we wait for a directional move into the support and resistance. For this instance, tinitignan natin if, for example, gumalaw itong kandila and it went here, nakita natin na nag-red candle, dumikit siya sa ating resistance level, and then it was rejected. On the next candle, we will call a sell kasi malapit siya dun sa ating resistance. So sell, pababa. Pag nagput tayo ng sell dito, our stop loss would be on the swing high or swing low. This would be near the R1 channel. This would be our stop loss. So ang ating stop loss for this particular trade that we are about to do is 227.70. Now, if we enter here in this candle, kunyari hindi pa ito natatapos, and it's just getting started, your entry would be at around 226.6 to 226.5 or 44. So, our take profit is based on our pinaka-support kasi galing tayo sa resistance. So, the take profit level would be around 224.52 dito sa baba. Yung pag hindi umabot, ang pinaka-sinasuggest natin dito always is that when happy with your gains, you can always do TP. But you can target this one, and if you see, kasi dito nakita natin nagkaroon ng reversal. After bumaba nung candle, bigla siyang umangat at nagtuloy-tuloy siya paakyat. So, this is where your stop loss will come into play. And syempre, titignan mo pa rin kung ano yung trend. Kung ang trend natin is actually going up, the sell call is just, tinatawag natin to na pinaka scalping, ano lang siya, scalping sell lang siya. Hindi siya talaga for a long term. You need to say, babantayan mo tong sell na to, tapos pag nag-profit ka na, pag dumikit siya dito sa ating susunod na channel, dito sa pula, sa red line, choose to take profit it already. Kasi nga, hindi naman, ang trend natin is going up. Always remember, when we are trading, you trade based on the trend. Kasi sabi nga nila, yung trading against the trend is like para ka naka-jacket sa gitna ng araw. Diba? So parang gano'n. So when you do the sell, you only do this on a scalping basis. You're not being permanent about this position. You just wanted to take advantage of the price action that's gonna happen dahil alam mo na pa pwede siyang bumaba up to a certain level. Now, if for example, natapos na yung sell na to, the next position that you will be looking for, actually on a trending market, a position that you will be looking for is based on the trend. So this is, since this is going up, a position that you will be looking for is a buy position. So let's go here in this candle, saan bumaba yung ating price action, coming from 229, bumaba siya at dumikit sa ating pinaka support channel, and it's priced at around 227.4. You can actually make a call here. Pag na-reject na siya, ito, nakita natin nag-reject ng red candle, and then the next candle, which is a green candle, this is a very strong call kasi malapit siya sa ating pinaka-support, and it's a green candle, and we definitely think since it was rejected at this point, it's gonna go up. So kung halimbawa hindi pa nangyayari to, pwede kang mag-call either dito within 227.77, or you will wait for second to third candle to finish para ma-confirm ninyo na meron talagang reversal na mangyayari or it was actually rejected. So for this case, mas maganda nga na after the first rejection, tapos umangat siya, since nag-red yung candle, antayin natin yung susunod na candle na mag-green, and that's where you will place your position. For this case, pwede kang mag-call ng buy position at 228.20 kasi it's within that candle na kung saan nag-bounce paangat yung ating price action. Our stop loss would be placed dito sa bandang labas ng ating support. Pwede mo siyang ilagay at 226.81 here, dito. So basically depende sa risk appetite nyo, no? So the percentage of your losses, like ako normally I advise our traders, gaano ba kalaki ikaw willing matalo. So depende sa position. Kung ang position mo $10, willing kang matalo up to $5, you will have to compute on your exchange gaano kalalayo from the entry level yung $5, and that will be your stop loss. Okay? So ngayon, your take profit levels is here above R2, since you believe and we believe it's gonna be going up. So our take profit levels is above R2, which is at 229.76. So tataasan lang natin yan. Pwedeng ang take profit mo nasa 220. Iset mo na siya dyan, pero if you see that the price action movement starts to spike and go up rapidly, you can actually adjust your take profit and your stop loss level. Okay? So ngayon, going back, the next is after entering on the next candle, you need to know when to take profit and when to stop loss. May mga traders kasi na hindi nila tinitignan yung kanilang stop loss. May mga iba iniwanan nilang open-ended yung stop loss nila. That's very dangerous, especially for huge portfolio, kasi kapag something happen, and we know that the market of cryptocurrency is very volatile. If you are in a buy position and suddenly dumped, it suddenly went down, your whole portfolio, your whole position might be compromised. So always know when to take profit, always assign when to have a stop loss. So basically, that's how it works. That's basic support and resistance with the price action, basing it from the channel, which is the moving support and resistance, and your horizontal support and resistance. Again, you always trade the support and resistance. Okay, so if you have any further questions, you can write it down at the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I would like to cap this evening by leaving you with a quote coming from our very Dr. Alexander Elder from, he's a Russian US Russian trader. He said that the goal of a successful trader is to make the best trades and money is secondary. Again, magandang gabi. This channel is the Resistance Trader channel. And with that, I would like to thank you all for tuning in and watching. Please like our Facebook page. It's here in our comment section. And join our Facebook group. Yeah, we are a growing community here in Facebook and even in Telegram. Join our Telegram chat so that you'll get updates on the latest of the market, particularly in cryptocurrency. And again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for this YouTube channel. Thank you very much. And gabi.